Okay, this is room 9251 on the Panorama. And this is just the initial room tour. 9251, forward ship.
Your stateroom is where you will start your vacation. Always remember to turn on the light the moment you walk into the stateroom.
I'm going to show you the balcony, but real quick, let's take a look at the bathroom.
Which is great for vacation sleeping, but could create a challenge when
Shower curtain, I actually have no problem with. Man, there's hardly any water in that toilet. Are you serious? Okay. Here's a shower. Let's see how bad this is. You know, it's not too bad. I don't care about a shower curtain because... Let's do that water one more time. Water's not too bad. Let's check the faucet. Faucet's good. Standard Carnival. I still got my backpack on. Standard Carnival bathroom. Okay, here's the good thing. Let's zoom out here. Here's the good thing. The room has a couch. And then there's a Pullman up here so that this room sleeps 4 people. Couch can be converted into a bed. So the last cruise we were on, no couch. And then a future cruise we're going to have is not going to have a couch either, but that's a story for another time. Looks like there's a lot of closets. And there's the ladder for the for that thing up there for 4 people. There was a time when cruising was very, very expensive, and having 4 people would be, and share the cost, would be a normal thing to do. Cruising has gotten relatively much cheaper these days. Okay, desk, and I'm sure there's the refrigerator there. I'll be attaching another video to this one after a few days of living in here to give you the review. That's a nice big king-size bed. And again, love having the couch. Just gotta have it, man. Now, the only problem with this couch is it's not near the balcony. But I understand why it's here. And that's just to make it easier to sleep 4 people. So I'll take a couch no matter where it is. So this is going to be interesting to have this bed close to the balcony, but maybe that's a good thing. We've got not only a balcony. Oh, look at this. We got a window. So a window and a balcony. So that's pretty nice. Pretty nice. TV near right at the bed. So that's good. Here's the room from this angle. So far I likey. Okay, let's go out to the balcony. The balcony is decent size. Should have taken my backpack off, I'm telling you. Let's just make sure we understand why I picked the balcony I do. And that's because I want a covered balcony, which most of the ones on this ship are. So that's good. And deck 9 close to where all the action is. The balcony looks pretty good, actually. Lifeboats are very far away. The captain is way over there. There is absolutely no obstructions of any kind. Balcony looks nice and clean. The only thing I notice already is they do have a lot of gaps here. A lot of gaps between you and your neighbor. So on Ovation of the Seas, everything was sealed. But you know, when you're on a cruise, that don't matter at all, really, because everyone's here to have a good time. And a lot of times I was on my balcony, I never saw anyone, never saw the neighbors or anything like that. So that's okay. Looking good. So there's Long Beach there, and I'll show the balcony again while the cruise is going on. And very nice. Looks like plumbing there or something, a pipe coming down, but that's not really going to be a problem. The balcony's bigger than what I was expecting, actually. This is all you need. Any balcony is better than no balcony. So I'll be spending a lot of time out here, especially when we're out cruising around and stuff. I love it. I love looking at the ocean, sunset, sunrise, all that kind of stuff. This is why I cruise. Early morning, getting closer to our destination of Puerto Vallarta. We'll be there tomorrow. It is, what, late October, kind of. Got Halloween in a couple days. And as we go further south, I already knew the weather was just going to get better and better. Let me show you this. It's morning, coffee time. Got the Stojo. That thing's called Stojo. What would you pay for a view like this? Just, you know, like at some restaurant or something. That's why the value of cruising cannot be beat. It cannot be beat. Around 9 a.m. right now. It's going to be a hell of a day. We don't get into our first port till tomorrow. So it's going to be a lot of fun today.